darkness finally meets the light.
Pakita yung screen, pakita yung screen.
You think you can fix the world? You can't even fix yourself.
I can't.
And now everyone finally sees you for what you really are.
They do.
And the homeland is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one. Nothing but the truth.